welcome to the Market Made channel. I'm Jess M. I'm the founder and the owner of the Market Made. On this channel, you'll learn about how I design, DIY tutorials, home improvement, and I'll also bring on some local professionals and experts to discuss on subjects like resale value or real estate and any other things you want me to discuss. So comment below on what you want me to talk about or what you have questions about. I am a relatively new designer, but it's not my first time ever designing. I've actually tackled several personal projects and projects of family and friends, like renovating and remodeling, designing custom tables, shelves, and an assortment of home goods. With my channel, it is my hope to empower you to try new projects and learn more about home improvement, real estate, design, because knowledge is power and knowledge helps build wealth. In this channel, you'll also be hearing me discuss about functional design because I hate clutter and I do think decor pieces should also be useful pieces. I discuss how to go to estate warehouses and real estate and outlet shops to basically try to eliminate waste. You will also see on my social media pages, I'm all about reusing, repurposing, and refurbishing items, but more importantly, donating them to the people who need them. Because what you don't want or need, you should just donate because someone will be able to use it. Also, I love supporting local vendors and small businesses, so hopefully you'll catch them here on this channel. As I grow my brand and business, I hope to incorporate more of these professionals to talking about their opinions and knowledge and acquired skills. So with this channel, I hope to help you with my videos and provide you resources, tools, and useful content you'll be able to employ along the way. And if you are interested in learning more about my custom designs, products, and services, you can go to my website, themarketdesigns.com. I will also attach a link below and include all of my social media handles. If you do have any topics you want me to discuss, like I said, comment below and I'll try to get to them. And if I don't have the answers, I'll try to reach out to experts that know a little bit more about the subject and maybe do like a Q&A with them. If you like this video introduction, please give it a thumbs up. That'd be very nice of you. And please remember to subscribe to the Market Made channel and click to receive notifications so you can stay up to date on all of my videos. And as always, thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day. Bye.